Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most unsettling urban mysteries in history, a case that blurred the lines between a physical predator and the power of the human mind. The story, what happened? It began on the night of August 31st, 1944, in the small, quiet town of Mattoon, Illinois. A woman named Aline Kearney was lying in bed when she noticed a sickening, sweet odor wafting through her bedroom window. Within seconds, her legs felt heavy, then completely paralyzed. Her husband, returning home later, caught a glimpse of a tall, thin figure dressed in dark clothing and a tight-fitting cap lurking near the window. Over the next 2 weeks, the town was paralyzed by fear. Reports flooded the police station, families waking up to a sweet, chemical smell, followed by nausea, dizziness, and temporary paralysis. The attacker was dubbed the Mad Gasser of Mattoon. When and where? Time frame: late August to mid-September 1944. Location: Mattoon, Illinois, USA. The climate: this was during the height of World War II. The town was already on edge, with many men away at war and the constant fear of gas attacks, a lingering trauma from the First World War. The logic: mystery or mass hysteria. There are two primary schools of thought regarding the logic behind these events. 1. The physical attacker, the lone wolf theory. Some believe there was a genuine prowler, perhaps a disgruntled local chemist or someone with access to industrial chemicals, who used a makeshift pump to spray anesthetic gas through window screens. The sightings of a tall figure support the idea of a physical culprit who simply escaped capture. 2. The psychological phenomenon, mass hysteria. Most modern sociologists and psychologists argue that the Mad Gasser never existed. They point to the logic of mass psychogenic illness. In a high-stress wartime environment, one real event, perhaps a smell from a nearby industrial plant, triggered a chain reaction. Once the local newspaper published the story, every strange smell or shadow became a gas attack in the minds of the terrified citizens. When the news coverage stopped, the attacks stopped instantly. Whether it was a shadow in the night or a trick of the mind, the Mad Gasser remains one of the most fascinating cases of collective fear ever recorded. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the dark corners of history, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more cinematic storytelling. Thank you for watching AI Trend Q8Q with Sukhvir. Stay curious and stay safe.